Oh hey, didn't see you there. I know what you're thinking, and this is no flexio ad. My name is Travis Tarango. My business partner Noah Thomas and I started a project 2 years ago called The Fridge, because we weren't allowed at this skate park.
Hey yo, get that out of here.
I was just skating. And I'm leaving this skate park. This project, The Fridge, is here in beautiful Mentone Beach, California. But the problem is, the skate park we're building isn't finished, and we need your help. See, this reservoir was never filled with water, but we got lucky. This winter, got good rain. However, experts predict that this reservoir will be evaporated in 2 months. Donations, just about like $6, could get us a bag of concrete, pile of coping, some scrap metal. Anything will help. We need your money, and I know that sounds rude, but here's what I'll do for you.
Put that price on my head.
No, no, no. They want me dead or alive. They want me dead or alive. I'm just trying to. Hey, the beat go off? Hey. Hey, I up it, then my heat go off. Bang. I heard he do that sneaky talk. Hey. I heard he was a sneaky dog. I up this fucking fool, then I sneak it dog. Me, I take naps and you a sleepy dog. Catch your ass in the back, shoot up your fifi dog. 2, 2, 3 and set your neck.
Oh, hey, MTV Cribs. This is my crib. Come on in. We got beautiful art all around. Nothing to be bored about. Totally chill vibes, huh? Like totally chill vibes. And like just like, I don't know, just chill vibes all around, you know? Just like hits. Vibes different. You got a spare shoe. We don't discriminate around here. Yeah, we grow all types of plants, you know, no discrimination, all chill vibes. We'll let any animal that wants to roam in here, roam in, you know, grab a bite to eat if they want. We don't discriminate, chill vibes, hits only. You got a spare jacket in case anyone gets cold, even on these summer nights. Oh, just tradition. Shooting hoops. And here, this is the bad boy. This is a true skate spot, chill vibes, hits only. Ultimate parties, chill vibes. That's all there is to it. Gotta clean up a little bit, but you know, chill vibes.
That's good. Excuse me? Yes. What's up, bro? Do you guys have a Explorer 300?
Explorer 300, right?
Yeah, it's like an inflatable boat.
I don't know.
Off the top of your head, you don't know?
Yeah, we're going on a fishing trip, but we're kind of on a budget. Oh shit, look at that. And it comes with the paddles? If this one comes with the paddles, it's only $15, man. That's a fishing trip with the boys.
Some people. This just comes with, yeah.
The boat.
It just comes with the boat. That's it.
Paddles? Oh, there's some in there.
I believe so.
Just need like a ghetto ass something, yeah.
Okay, cool. Never mind, yeah.
Let's just,
buy at least two.
yo, let's just do it up. Right on, my man. Thank you.
No problem.
Hello. Are those your kids with the scooter? And I was, because we're like doing a project, and we just gotta wait for these kids to like hit their line. Just gonna like skate.
Are you a YouTuber?
We're doing a YouTube video.
What's your YouTube channel?
You like
Bro, we're gonna be in the YouTube channel. So like,
be like, you suck. Get the hell out of here.
I can't say that.
Or just get out of here. You suck. I got fucking milk in my ear.
Is that all you have to say for yourself?
Yeah.
Like,